So here we have the ENOKING Japanese style paring knife. This is a 4.5 inch blade, professional utility knife. It has 5 layers clad steel. This is great for fruits, vegetables, and such. It's super sharp. It's utility knife. It's an ebony bolster, African rosewood handle. Very comfortable and ergonomic on the hold. So this has the look and traditional hand forging. They use hand forging process that enhance with advanced technology and materials, from the manual shaping of the blade, which you could tell has a nice texture. It really looks like it came from a blacksmith. And it has a stunning hammer texture also that gives the knife super cool details. And it's achieving anti-rust and non-stick properties, as well as ease of cleaning. So it has a great balance. It's very easy to hold. The handle is nice and thick and round. It makes it comfortable to hold, reducing strain on the arm and wrist, because it's an octagon African rosewood handle. So it's crafted from premium African rosewood. It has a nice heavy feel to it, and it's pretty a substantial knife. I mean, it's not just your everyday paring knife. This is pretty special, and it was a pleasure using this. Very sharp, cutting these potatoes for my french fries. And this is a keeper, and this is gonna go in my kitchen, and it's a pleasure to work with. And they offer good customer care with a 24-hour hotline. So this is a great series of knife. It looks beautiful and it's very unique. It gets the job done.